Okay guys, it's Thrifter Man back with another video. I want to talk about eBay again and reselling, and this one's going to be specific to my Canadians, all my Canadian resellers on eBay. You know, what to think about when you set up your account, and this could be for new accounts, or even if you already set up your account, you're already selling. So my overview, my strategy, I guess, how I like to optimize my account is I like to just focus on the US market. I don't worry about Canada. I don't worry about selling internationally. You know, shipping is too expensive, especially if you're sending stuff, you know, international. Stuff gets lost. It's like a headache. Same thing with shipping in Canada. You know, everything's spaced out. You know, unless you live in a city, it costs a lot to ship. You know, it's a small population, only 40 million. So I don't really focus too much on Canada or international. I just focus on the United States market, and that's how I optimize my store. So when I set up my account, I make sure I sell in USD. So I think it doesn't matter, ebay.com, ebay.ca, I think you can sell in US dollars. So that's what I would do. It's more attractive to Americans, and then also right now with the exchange rate, you're making more. You know, when you're buying in Canadian, sell in US, you're gonna make money just off the exchange rate. So that's like the main thing. That's the main thing with selling to the States. The only thing you have to do, like the extra step that you have to do, is you would have to open up a US checking account. But it's just like opening up a Canadian checking account. You know, you don't have to switch banks or anything like that. I'm sure most banks offer US accounts. So you just have to open up a US account and you're good. You set it up with your payments, your payouts, and you're good. You'll have US dollars, and then when you convert it over to Canadian, you get a lot more. So that's what I would do. That's how I would set up my account. And then the next thing, the last thing, is just to offer free shipping. If you live in a big city, it's easier. You can sign up with a different shipping company other than Canada Post. Like I ship with Chit Chats, and they're great. They have great rates to the States. So I can offer free shipping. And then if you're selling in only 1, 2, maybe 3 categories, you're gonna know how much your items cost to ship, you know, roughly. So like I sell gaming stuff. A video game, I know it's gonna cost around $8 to $10, or a video game console, I know it's gonna cost $25 to $35, or a t-shirt or a dress shirt or a jersey is gonna cost maybe $10 to $12 anywhere in the States. So I offer free shipping, and then I just factor that shipping cost, I just factor that into the price of my items, whatever I price the item for. So it makes it a lot easier. You don't have to worry about putting in dimensions or weights into each listing that you have. It just makes it more streamlined, and it's more attractive to the customer when they see free shipping. So quick video. Those are just, you know, some of the things that I would recommend doing if you're selling in Canada. It gives you a little bit, it gives you a little advantage, you know, having those things set up and having your store optimized like that. So that's the video for today. Thanks to everyone who's watched, and I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'll do my best to answer. And yeah, make sure you like the video, subscribe. I really appreciate it, guys. Okay, thank you. I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.